For today's video discussion in Basic Calculus, we are gonna discuss about Module 1 titled Antiderivative of Algebraic and Radical Functions.
So today we will discuss about integral calculus, but let's focus on Module 1 Lesson 1, which is all about introduction of antiderivative. So the definition is, a function big F is an antiderivative of a function small f on an interval if and only if the derivative of big F of x is equal to small f of x where every x is an element of an integer. So, big F of x is antiderivative kung equal ang derivative sa big F of x o small f of x. So, for example, let small f of x is equal to 12x cubed plus 6x squared plus 3x is equal to big F of x is equal to 3x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed plus 3x plus 5. So, sa solution is we have big F of x, then 3x power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 3x plus 5. So, ato siyang kuha ng derivative. So, imong i-times ang iyahang constant at ang iyahang exponent. So, we have 12x, then minus 1 ang iyahang exponent. So, we have 3. So, the same with other term, i-times gihapon na to ang 2, 3, then we have 6, then minus 1, so 2 plus 3x. So, ang constant is ma-0 man, so dili na to siya makapi. So, we have 12x cubed plus 6x squared plus 3. So, as you can see, the same na siya sa f of x. So theorem, if big F is an antiderivative of small f on an interval, then every antiderivative of f on an interval is given by f of x plus c, which means ang kaning f of x is mao ang function plus c. Ang c is mao ang family of all antiderivatives. So, for example, we have antiderivative kani 4x cubed plus x squared plus c, o derivative nga 12x squared plus 2x plus 5. O 12x squared plus 2x plus 10. So, kani nga mga derivative is same rin sila, old antiderivative nga kani. So, nga naman nga dili man sila pareha og constant nga 5 o 10. So, kaning 5 o 10 is ni-represent ni siya sa C, which means mao ang family of all antiderivative. So, in simple words, C is a constant. So, money ang notation. This is read as y is equal to the integral of f of x dx. So, kaning nga sign is money ang gitawag nga integral sign. Then, ang kaning part is money ang gitawag nga integral.
So let's move on to the next lesson, which is lesson 2, Antiderivatives of Algebraic Functions. So in this lesson, we have 4 theorems. The first theorem is the integral of dx is equal to x plus c. So kini atong i-follow sa atong pag-solve. So, for example, we have the integral of 45 dx. So, ang una itong buhaton is atong igawas ang constant, which is ang 45. So, we have 45 integral dx. So, next na itong buhaton is copy ang 45. So, kaning dx, understood na siya as x. So, kay wala naman tayong integral, so atong i-add na si c. So, kaning i-add na to ang c. Basta wala na ganing integral, anang nga time nga ang atong i-add si c. So, napat ning integral, dili pa na to i-add si c. So, after running 45 times x, we have 45x plus c. The second theorem is this. So, kini nga theorem, magamit na ni siya if n is any real number and n is not equal to -1. So, unsa may pasabot ani? So, kini nga theorem, magamit ni siya if ang atong n exponent is any real number niya, dili siya equal og -1. Again, this is our theorem. We have the integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So, for example, we have the integral of 1 over x cubed dx is equal to kaning 1 over x cubed. This is the same as x power -3. Nya ang process ana is reciprocal. dx. So, ang ato nang i-apply ng atong theorem. So, this will make this as x power negative 3 plus 1, and the same as sa denominator, negative 3 plus 1 plus c. So, this makes this x negative 3 plus 1, that makes it negative 2, same sa denominator, plus c. Ay negative naman ang iyang exponent, so ato ni siya i-simplify. So, mao na to ang bisimplify sa atong numerator o ang atong denominator. So, kaning x power negative 2, iyang bisimplify is 1 over x squared. Yeah, for sa denominator na negative 2, ang iyang reciprocal is negative 1 over 2 plus c. And then we get the answer by combining na to sila. 1 times negative 1, negative 1 over, atong i-combine 2x squared plus c. So, mao na ni ang atong final answer.
So for the third theorem, we have if a is any constant and f is a function, then the integral of a f of x dx is equal to a integral of f of x dx. Igawas ang constant kay ani nga theorem. Then last nga theorem nato is if f and g are functions defined on the same interval, then sum and difference of the integral of f of x dx is equal to sum and difference of integral of f of x dx and integral of g of x dx. So this is our example. Integral of 8x cubed minus 9x squared dx. Since this is a difference of the function, we will use this theorem. So first, so this is equal to integral of a So this is equal to integral of 8x cubed dx minus integral of 9x squared dx. So mo na aming theorem, kaning nga theorem. Next, since naman siya constant, gamiton nato ang kaning nga theorem, kaning constant theorem. Then so, here it is, 8 integral of x cubed dx minus 9 integral of x squared dx. Since naman siya ka ng exponent, gamitin na ito itong ikaduhang nga theorem. So, ano na siya? 8 times x cubed plus 1 over 3 plus 1 minus 9x 2 plus to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. Kaya hindi na ito mag-integral kay c. Kuha naman ito sa theorem number 2. Then, yan lang din nato ang ilang exponent. So, after adding the exponent, may mo na siyang 8 times x to the power 4 over 4 minus 9 to the power, 9 times x to the power of 3 over 3 plus c. Then, wala pa rin siya mauman kaya hindi nila to, para makuha na to ang answer ni, i-divide na to ng 8 sa 4. Same po anay nga, i-divide ko na to ang 9 sa 3 para makuha na to ang answer niya. So after dividing, 8 divided to 4 is 2x to the power of 4 minus 9 divided to 3 is 3x cubed plus c. So this is the final answer.
So now, we will proceed to lesson 3, antiderivative of radical functions. But before kumuhatag og example ninyo, mag-recall sa kauna. Kanungtong ko ba mo ani sa inyong junior days? Kani, if wala siya exponent na makita ninyo og number dire, understood na siya nga x power 1/2. This ay nagikan ang 1 ug ang 2. If kani, walay number or walay exponent, both pasabot na ana siya 1 dire. If arisad, ang number na naani, kung wala may makita nga number, understood na siya nga 2. So, maghatag na to based ako na. So, mabasa ni as the integral of the square root of x. So, ang unang step na to kay ako ang i-integrate kaninga function. So, may mo siyang the integral of x, square root of x dx. May dx. And then, ato siya i-transform atong, akong example na ipakita ni Dina katong i-recall na to. So, may mo siyang x power 1/2 ni x. Katong theorem nga i-discuss kanina, malikot na to which is x power n. Duwagan na to 1, add to 1 plus 1, and then ang iyang exponent nga giduwagan og 1, ato siyang ibutang as denominator. So, kanya itong sulton, proceed ta, the integral of x, may mo na siyang x power 1/2 plus 1. And then, ako ano na siyang i-add. 1/2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. Ganang 3 over 2, kay 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, then copy denominator, may mo siyang 3 over 2. And then, denominator, 3 over 2 plus c. So, next step, kay complex fraction na siya, ato siyang i-reciprocal. So, may mo siyang x power 3 over 2 times, ang denominator, may mo siyang numerator, mo na reciprocal, then, ato siyang i-multiply. So, may mo siyang 2x power 3 over 2, okay? 2 times x power 3 over 2 over 3 plus c. Di na ito balintan ang c, ha? So, kay fraction man, dili pa na final answer. Ato na siya i-transform, gikan ani, may mo siyang ingani. So, may mo siyang 2 square root of x cubed over 3 plus c. So, this is the final answer. So, let's have example number 2. Since multiplication siya, ato siyang i-distribute ani. So, mahimo ni siyang the integral of m times 2m is 2m squared. Kaya kung mag-multiply ka o exponent, ato siyang ma-add. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then, copy the operator. M times 4 square root of m is 4m power 3 over 2. Ganun 3 over 2. Kay if radical, natin siya 1, ay 2. So, may mo siyang 1/2 times na may 1 array, so i-times siya o 1. Kunya kay multiplication man ni siya, so i-add. May mo siya, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3, then copy the denominator. Munang 3 over 2. So, next step is ato siyang ibuwag muna tong constant multiple theorem. So, 2, the integral of m squared minus 4 m power 3 over 2 dm. Hindi ito kalimtan o suwat ani. So, as you can see, ang mga constant kay nagawa sa integral sign. So, sunod ani, kay mag-add na ta sa 1. So, 2 times m, 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 minus 4 times m, 3 over 2 plus 1. And then, the denominator, copy the exponent, 3 over 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 over 3 minus 4m, 3 over 2 plus 1 is 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5, copy the denominator, 2 over 5 over 2 plus C. So, atong gisaka ang answer para maikot sa board. So, atong buhaton ani kay since natay complex fraction, ato na siyang A reciprocal. So, may mo siyang 2m power 3 or 2m cubed over 3 minus 4m 5 over 2. Then, ato na siya A reciprocal ng denominator kay complex fraction man siya, mahimo siyang 2 over 5. Mabali. Ang denominator, mahimong numerator, o ang numerator, mahimong denominator. So, ato ani siyang i-multiply. Copy 2m cubed over 3 minus 4 times 2 is 8. So, 8m power 5 over 2 over 5 plus C. And kay fraction pa man ato ang exponent, ato na siyang i-transform o galing ang format. Dumi, wala tayo final answer nga exponent. So copy again, 2m cubed over 3 minus 8m. Ang numerator mo, itong exponent, and then 2 man understood din nga 2 if wala yung number dire. So, m power 5 all over 5 plus c. So, this is the final answer.